Let's go.
I'm gonna go away soon because I'm going to a vacation. I'll leave all my fidgets here so I don't lose them on vacation. Well, I'm gonna go.
Let me go. Yes. The cage is open. Yes, I must steal the fidgets. Okay, this one first. This one's gonna go first. No, wait. This is very interesting. You know what? What is this? You know what? I'm not that interested. Yes, this.
Okay.
Ice cream cone. Yes.
No.
Ice cream cone. Make sure he doesn't escape.
Alright, coming back to my base. Back at my base with all these fidgets. My owner's gonna be so sad. Can't wait till she gets back.
Oh yes, and I will marry you. You are pretty. You are so pretty. Marry me. No, wait, no. It's a bed. No, it's
Alright. Well, I'll see you guys later for part 2. Oh, how I love my puppet. Oh, I love it so much.
Do you want to trade it?
Sure.
Okay, I have all this stuff.
Gosh.
Do you want more?
Why do we have tiny papers?
I don't know.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
I'll add more. I will add so much more. There. What? How about that?
Can you please add?
Okay, fine.
Can you please add more?
Okay.
This is my special puppet.
Okay, is that good?
No, please add more.
Okay, I have nothing more. I'll give you this.
It's a deal.
Okay. It's broken? No! Please.
No.
No. Fine. It's fine. No. At least I get the fart putty.
The fighting.
No.
If you get the fart putty, then give me the iPad.
Okay, that I said.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. Now I get a new iPad.